Hello and welcome back to another video. Today is a question and answer thing. First question is what happens if you stick a block of TNT in Pluto. So this is Pluto. Let's see. Oh no! Okay, this is what will happen if you stick a piece of dynamite in Pluto. It's not good. That was the first question, and that is the first video, the shortest video I ever made. No, not the shortest. The shortest I ever made is 2 seconds. But this is going a few minutes, but thanks for watching.